Hi, my name is Miss Sabrina.
Hi, I'm Amira Adeni.
Hi, I'm Nina Raisha.
Hi, I'm Nordana Alia.
We are from BA1111C.
Part A, Question 1A. Find the original amount X that was first deposited. The formula that will be used S equals P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of N. The K is 0.0325 and M is 2. We need to find the P first. So 28960 equals P open bracket 1 plus 0.01625 close bracket power of 2 times 3. So P equals 28960 divided to 1 plus 0.01625 close bracket power of 2 times 3. And the total of P would be RM 26290.28 cents. Then the P would be X to find the total of after 5 years. We need to find the S first. So S equals to 26290.28 plus 10250 equals 36540.28. Then the S would be 36540.28 equals X open bracket 1 plus 0.01625 close bracket power of 2 times 5. Then X would be 36540.28 divided by 1 plus 0.01625 close bracket power of 2 times 5, and the total of X would be RM 31100.42 cents. Question 1B. Find the accumulated amount at the end of the investment period. The P would be 32,800 and T is 12 4 fraction 12. K would be 0.082 and M is 3. The formula that will be used S equals P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of N. You need to find the S. S equals to 32,800 open bracket 1 plus 41 divided by 1,500 close bracket, and the power is 37. So the total of S would be RM 88,962 cents.
Question 2, Part A. Fatah intends to borrow RM15K and has two loan options. He plans to repay the loan in the full at the end of the 4 years. Determine the best option by comparing the interest charge for each option. First, we need to search the P, K, M, and the T. P equals to 15K. K for the option 1 is 0.095. K for the option 2 is 0.1. M for the option 1 is 12. And for the option 2 is 4. The term of the loan is 4 years. Option 1, we use the formula S equal to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket and the power of N. First, we need to search the I and the N. I for the option 1 is 90 over 2,400 and the N is 48. S equal to 15K open bracket 1 plus 90 over 2,400 close bracket and the power of 48. S equal to RM 21,901.47 cents. For the option 2 is S equal to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket and the power of N. That's the formula. Same goes to the option 1. We need to search the I and the N first. I for the option 2 is 0.025 and for the option 2 is 16. S equal to 15 open bracket 1 plus 0.025 close bracket and the power of 16. S equal to RM 22,267.58 cents. For the Interest charge that Fatah should choose is the option 1 because it must cheaper than the option 2. That's it.
Let's moving on to part B, question 1A. Calculate the periodic payment and total interest charge for each bank. There are two different banks, Trust Bank and also Horizon Bank. So to calculate the periodic payment, we're going to use A equals R, bracket 1 minus 1 plus I, close the bracket, power of negative n, close the bracket, over I. So I equals K over M. I equals 5.50 over 100 over 4. The M is 4 because it is compounded quarterly. So you're going to get 0.01375, and then n equals empty. N equals 4 times 15, you're going to get 60. So just substitute into the formula. A equals to 250,000 equals R, bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.01375, close the bracket, power of negative 60, close the bracket, over 0.01375. So the R for Trust Bank is 6,146 ringgit and 13 cents. Okay, then you need to calculate the interest charge. So for interest charge, we're going to use I equals R n minus A. So 6,146 ringgit and 13 cents times 60 minus 250,000, you're going to get 118,767 ringgit and 80 cents. Now let's moving on to Horizon Bank. We're going to use the same formula. So I equals 4.65 over 100 over 3. The M is 3 because it is compounded every 4 months. You're going to get 0.0155. N equals 3 times 15. You're going to get 45. Just substitute into the formula. 250,000 equals A equals to 250,000 equals R, bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.0155, close the bracket, power of negative 45, close the bracket, over 0.0155. Okay, the R for Horizon Bank is 7,757 ringgit and 74 cents. And then you need to calculate the interest charge. I equals Rn minus A, 7,757 ringgit and 74 cents times 45 minus 250,000, you're gonna get 99,098 ringgit and 30 cents.
We're going to move to question B. That the question is, based on your answer in A, which bank should Johan select for the loan and why? Johan should select Horizon Bank because the interest is lower than Trust Bank. For question C, if Johan failed to make the first 5 payments, how much must he pay on the 6th payment to settle all the outstanding arrears? We use S formula for this question, that is S is equal to R, open bracket, open small bracket, 1 plus I, close small bracket, to the power of n minus 1 over I, and close bracket. And the R is 7,757 ringgit and 74 cent, open bracket, 1 plus 0. Open small bracket, 1 plus 0.0465 over 3, close small bracket, to the power of 6 minus 1 over 0.0465 over 3, and close the bracket. And we got the S, that is 48,387 ringgit and 83 cents. Next, for question D, if Johan decides to pay off all his loan immediately after 8 years, calculate the total amount he needs to pay. So, the 15 years we minus with 8 years and we got 7 years. And the n is m times t, that is 3 times 7, and we got 21 for n. And we use A formula, that is A is equal to R, open bracket, 1 minus open small bracket, 1 plus I, close small bracket, to the power of negative n over I, and close bracket. And we got 7,757 ringgit 74 cent, open bracket, 1 minus open small bracket, 1 plus 0.0465 over 3, close small bracket, to the power of negative 21 over 0.0465 over 3, and close bracket. And we got the answer, that is A is equal to 138,152 ringgit and 5 cents. That's all from us. Thank you.